Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat multi-snap option not showing. If you are using Snapchat and you're facing the issue that your Snapchat multi-snap option is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you can try to update your Snapchat. So you have to simply open your app store here, search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find any pending update here, try to update your Snapchat. And after updating, your issue must be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed, so you have to make a force restart your iPhone first. So not to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button. Wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So you have to quickly press on its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button, wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone. And here you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have a single way. You have to open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here look for Snapchat app. Very first, you can try to clear cache from your Snapchat app. So open Snapchat app here, tap on your profile option in the top left corner, and then select settings option here. And now scroll down and look for the option of clear data, and then select clear cache. Then tap on clear. It will clear cache or all the junk files in your Snapchat app. So it might be that your issue will be fixed after that. Here you will get the arrow icon. You have to tap on that and you'll get multi-snap here. You can easily enable it from here. And after doing that, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to simply go back, open the settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Snapchat app, and you have to try to offload your app, tap on offload app again. And after offloading, you have to reinstall your app. So after reinstallation, it will completely fix your issues. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.